Ni awamu ya lala salama, na muda mfupi uliopita waziri wa michezo Rashid Echesa ametoa taarifa kutoka kwa shirikisho la riadha duniani IAAF kuhusiana na Kenya kupatiwa nafasi na ruhusa rasmi ya kuweza kuwa wenyeji wa michuano ya riadha mwaka 2022 kwa chipukizi wa chini ya umri wa miaka 20 kunradhi. Tupate taarifa hiyo.
Nairobi last year hosted a very successful World Under-18 Championships. It is in this light that Kenya's bid to host a world event was honored once more. We have the facilities. We have the facilities and will continue to prepare to ensure that we have the venue and other facilities ready for World Under-20 event, as well as Team Kenya ready in time for the championships. Recently, in the World Under-20 IAAF event held in Tampa, Finland, our Kenyan athletes ruled the world, coming on top of the table with 6 gold and 4 silver and 1 bronze. This is not the end. We take this opportunity to assure the IAAF that Kenya has been working on its sports infrastructure across the country. Kasarani Stadium has been under renovation for several months and will therefore be ready to host this global event. Kenya's supremacy in athletics cannot be taken for granted. It takes hard work to achieve those results. The efforts range from athletes, sports officials, coaches and management, plus the government administration oversight, working as a team. Today, Kenya continues to scout for sports persons that will feature in the coming global events many years from now being identified. I congratulate Athletic Kenya, led by its President, retired General Jackson Tuwei, for putting in place a well-organized system of identifying sports person for nurture events. This has been Kenya's secret of dominance in world athletics event over the years. I cannot forget to congratulate the county government, who have quickly and seriously incorporated the national government request to identify and nurture talents and also improve our sports facilities. The support from these counties is what is going to make Kenya an almost unbeatable athletics nation across the globe. We have gone to the world and brought back glory to this country, but we cannot forget the role played by the media in this process. I pass my gratitude to Kenyans at all levels who have over the years continued to support sports and our sports persons to ensure that Kenya continues to remain a force to reckon with.
Na mtazamaji, katika taarifa ya awali ambayo tumeiangazia kuhusiana na uteuzi na